Welcome to our Google Sheets tutorial for beginners. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of using Google Sheets, from creating and editing spreadsheets to using formulas and functions. Google Sheets is a free online spreadsheet program that allows you to create, edit, and share spreadsheets with others. Google Sheets is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as budgeting, tracking expenses, and creating charts and graphs. Google Sheets is easy to use and can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. To get started with Google Sheets, simply create a Google account and then go to the Google Sheets website. To create a new spreadsheet, click on the plus button in the top left corner of the screen. The Google Sheets interface is divided into cells, rows, and columns. Cells are where you enter data, rows are horizontal, and columns are vertical. Google Sheets has a variety of basic functions that you can use to perform calculations and manipulate data. To enter data into a cell, simply click on the cell and start typing. To edit data, double-click on the cell and then make your changes. You can use formulas and functions to perform calculations and manipulate data in Google Sheets. You can format cells to change their appearance, such as the font, color, and alignment. Google Sheets also has a number of advanced features, such as pivot tables and charts and graphs. Charts and graphs can be used to visualize data and make it easier to understand. Pivot tables can be used to summarize and analyze data. Google Sheets allows you to collaborate with others in real time. You can share your spreadsheets with others and they can make changes and comments. There are a number of tips and tricks that you can use to get the most out of Google Sheets. Keyboard shortcuts can help you to quickly navigate Google Sheets and perform common tasks. There are a few common mistakes that you should avoid when using Google Sheets. Thank you for watching our Google Sheets tutorial for beginners. We hope that you found this video helpful. In this video, we covered the basics of using Google Sheets, including creating and editing spreadsheets, using formulas and functions, and formatting cells. If you want to learn more about Google Sheets, we encourage you to explore the Google Sheets Help Center, take online courses, and join a Google Sheets community.